Cinnamon is a spice obtained from the inner bark of several tree species from the genus Cinnamomum. Cinnamon is used mainly as an aromatic condiment and flavoring additive in a wide variety of cuisines, sweet and savory dishes, breakfast cereals, snack foods, bagels, teas, and traditional foods. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. It is mostly used in making tea. You can drink it warm, or cool it to make homemade iced tea. The easiest way to make this beverage is to simply add 1 teaspoon, 2.6 grams, of ground cinnamon to 1 cup, 235 milliliters, of boiled water and stir. You can also make cinnamon tea by steeping a cinnamon stick in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes. 1. Loaded with antioxidants. Cinnamon is one of the spices richest in antioxidants. Cinnamon tea may increase your body's ability to fight off free radicals, keeping you healthy and protecting you from disease. 2. Lowers inflammation and may improve heart health. Cinnamon may increase levels of HDL, good cholesterol, which helps improve your heart health by removing excess cholesterol from your blood vessels. 3. May help reduce blood sugar. Compounds found in cinnamon may further contribute to lower blood sugar levels by lowering insulin resistance, thereby increasing insulin's effectiveness. 4. Fights off bacteria and fungi. Compounds found in cinnamon tea may help fight off bacteria, fungi, and mold. They may also help freshen your breath and prevent tooth decay.